Welcome to the Ayla demonstration. The following demo is powered by an Ayla dev kit and RF transceivers. This demo will showcase the ability of our platform to control applications such as a water irrigation controller and a smoke detector. The Ayla service allows for two-way communication and opens the door to a number of different control applications, giving you direct command of the environment around you. For example, as you can see from the two water fountains, an irrigation controller can be easily controlled and manipulated. The Ayla service provides the ability to be more efficient through the use of sending, receiving, and controlling data by utilizing triggers. For example, the smoke detector can be programmed to send an email, an SMS, or both. When the smoke detector has been triggered, your notification will be sent to a designated contact of your choosing. That's the demonstration. Ayla offers valuable documentation to aid in the design of your own application. This can include MCU source code, cloud templates, and mobile app libraries, which include the iOS and Android.